Looking for a delicious but elegant chocolate treat that makes up in 15 minutes? These air fryer Nutella lava cakes are exactly what you need, and we're going to bake them together. So we have Nutella or hazelnut spread, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa, 2 large eggs. I have 2 ramekins, and these are 4 inches across. Any small bowl will do. Even something like this small food saver bowl that I'm using to hold the powdered sugar. A little bit of powdered sugar to decorate the top, of course. Baking spray. This is really important because we're going to spray the ramekins really well because we want the lava cake to pop out. And then I'm going to decorate the tops with some chopped dark chocolate, just to give it that little extra kick. The air fryer that I'm using is called a Caloric Max, and I'll put a link in below if you'd like to look at it on Amazon. We've had this for a couple of years now, and it is well loved, let me tell you. It can be an air fryer, a convection oven, a regular oven, all these different settings, automatic settings. We're just going to use it for the air fryer today, and the French doors open, and you can see what I mean by well loved, right? And we'll be baking the lava cakes, the ramekins. We'll put them on this air fryer tray when we're ready. The first thing we're going to do is spray the ramekins. And get the edges as well as inside. Any dark chocolate, try to get about 70% or 85%. It'll make it a bit bitter, but these are really sweet lava cakes, so that'll work out just fine. And I think that 1 small bar is just enough because we're making 2 lava cakes. So we're going to add the Nutella or hazelnut spread. Some store brands of hazelnut spread are really good. And sometimes they're a little bit cheaper, so, you know, never hurts to save a few pennies or dollars. But that's a 1/2 cup. And then we add in the cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons, and the 2 large eggs. And now we're going to whisk them, or you could stir with a fork, but I have a small whisk here. And we're just going to keep stirring until everything's well blended. Don't worry if the cocoa powder jumps out of the bowl. Mine always does. Okay, that's mixing up quite nicely. We'll just give it a few more spins because you want to make sure all of that Nutella spread is blended with the cocoa powder and the eggs. And sometimes you might see a little bit of egg white sitting on the top, and you don't want that. We want everything mixed in really well. So let's just give it a few more spins. That's looking really good. So that only took a few minutes. And now we're going to split the lava cake batter between the 2 ramekins. Very easy. I like to use a spatula to get the cake batter out evenly and easily. So I've eyeballed that. I guess we'll see when they're finally baked. But I think they're pretty close. And I've got some on the sides of the ramekin, so I'm just going to clean that up a little bit with a damp paper towel. And that's it. These are ready to go into the air fryer. So let's get these lava cakes into the oven. This is the air fryer rack. We'll just push that back in. And when it starts, it always flashes air fry. So what we need to do is just to adjust the time. So the time for these lava cakes is 8 minutes. Okay, and that's it. Away we go. So let's get these lava cakes out of the oven. Oh, nice. They really puffed up. Now we're going to let them cool for just a few minutes. Okay, now we're ready. Just be careful because those are really hot. And you just want to work that knife around very gently. But I can't feel any resistance at all. So I'm going to hold the ramekin in the oven mitt, then put the plate on top and flip it over. Now my oven mitts, were very slippery, so I'm going to use a tea towel. You can see that they've tipped a little, but I don't think that's going to affect the flavor. And it's probably just that the oven isn't level or the rack, but I'm not fussed about that. I think they look amazing. So now we'll just sprinkle a little sugar on each one. Add some chocolate. And let's have a look at that lava. Oh, that looks amazing, doesn't it? Now, if you wanted to, you could put a little scoop of ice cream alongside your chocolate lava cake. You could actually make this recipe just before dinner. It takes so little time. You could make it for your sweetheart, your gal friends, any occasion. And you can make 2 at a time or 4 at a time if your air fryer allows for that. But keep watching. We've got lots more great videos for you to enjoy.